the app, and I can open the app, and then when I move the button here up and down, I can open and close the curtain as well. So I can open it as well, and when it's totally opened, I could stop it, and you move it back. So in fact, this is the latest technology. We are from Europe, and it's guaranteed for European quality, and that's what the people like also here. The latest invention, it's more it was already there, but we changed it more and more. It's the forest shuttle motor. That means we have probably the most smallest motorized track in the world. That's this one. That means that you also can bend it in ballrooms, in the contract business, but also in houses like you see over here. Also, a pre is that now you see that there is a touch control. That means that when I move it with my finger here, it's going automatically open and close. You can move it with our remote controls, with wall switches, high frequency. You don't need any wiring anymore. And also the noise level is very, very important at these days because it's totally noiseless. If you hear anything, you would probably hear the gliders moving, but not the motor anymore.